Noodling in the rain, just noodling in the rain. Thanks again, Howard Dougherty. Now, I've saved this bag because I don't get to see many too often, as I always complain about, but the bank lady's just for me. Put some aside. Sometimes, and they even call me. How far out? Because I've seen a donation. Well, that might be my collection keeper. I only want one. If I keep any others, it would be for nieces and nephews, or to pass on to coin mates and through YouTube and so forth. I always say I'm getting technical help. Noodling in the rain. Very picturesque renting at the moment. Be lucky helping out. End of the day after some work. Bag. Thanks again to Howard Dougherty. Knowledge. Awesome knowledge. My giveaway is going to be, and I will post this on something like, I do look at, the only thing I'm on, I think, is that PJs sometimes unfortunately glue, but this is a changeover, sadly. It is high grade, but it has had water damage when well, not from me, but some people I care about, and they have gone through thousands. They get to go through a lot of coins, but changeovers, especially in cities, people must find it hard to find. And I'm luckier than I think in the country. Should I do more noodling videos? $2015, so always look for, well, you got the missing third leg, and I think in high grade, worth keeping. It's got a leg, I should have a poker. And look for the cuds. Ooh. On the big roo. Just for fun, just for recreation's sake, to pass the time away. Out we come, out we come, out we come to play. So you can already tell what year that is. Bang. It can be hard with the 85. Sometimes they have the pencil line, sometimes they have the grooving effect, even on high grade. Bang it. You guessed it, surely. You get to look at the coins and you'll know. 2006, look out for the year 200 where the 6 is not visible. 2011. I've also found card errors. It's a rare blue error, that one. No, just a joke. All right, I'm going to... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What a cracker. What a cracker. See, they don't all have that line. Now, that's a rabbit hole I'll go down another time. People more experienced than me will have varying opinions. They do not all develop that grey pencil-looking line around them. Some can be carved in. Oh, someone's fingerprinted. Oh, see that there? That wasn't me, because I find these highly compelling.